Well, winter is coming, and it's coming pretty fast, it seems. It went from 107 degrees when we went on that little kayak adventure that nobody watched and thumbs up a couple videos ago. Yeah, that one. Yeah. To 50. It's like 50 degrees today or some shit like that. Yeah, I had a hoodie on, I took it off. But today's the day. These trees have got to come out of here. This is where I pile up snow in the wintertime. And you know what? Regardless of that, they were coming out anyway because these trees are so messy. They're little helicopter trees. They just drop garbage everywhere, every winter. It's a pain in the ass. These trees are in the way. I don't like them. I want to plant some more pine trees is what I want, much like this. Now this one was involved in a war. Yep, this one has a story to tell. There's remnants of a creature, probably a squirrel or a rabbit right there. See that? That's all you get to see. And you can see that it was fighting for its life here. Well, quite literally, it lost. Yeah. And in the process destroyed this tree. It's always something. Yeah. You know, sometimes I do understand why people prefer the burbs in a city life over the country life. Yeah, sometimes I get that, but I'm not there yet. I probably never will be. These trees got to come out. I have a Kubota. I have some pallet forks if I need to. I want to try to do it the easiest possible way. We'll start with the Kubota. We'll see if we can uproot them just by pushing them over. Yeah, buddy, that's the manly thing to do. Are you allowed to say that? I don't know. In progress. I haven't seen that in a while. last minute. Yeah, I decided to take 3. And it's probably going to end up being 4. Now, taking these 3 trees out took me 10 minutes. At max, maybe. Not even that long, I don't think. 5 minutes. Let's go 5 minutes. Boom, boom, boom. Done. Now, that was the easy part. Tree company would have charged you $2,000 for that. They would have just taken their time. This is the hard part. I gotta clean up all this crap and dump it someplace where I could start a slash pile for this winter. And this winter, I'm gonna need a slash pile. For those of you that don't know what that is, that's like a bonfire, a big pile of debris that you burn up, slash pile. So I gotta pick out a chainsaw. I'm thinking the Echo CS400 is perfect for this size tree. That's a mid-size range chainsaw made by Echo, which is badass. Yeah, buddy. So I have to put my uniform on now. Now there's a saw shop up in Bacchus. I think it's called like the Saw Shop. They gave me this chainsaw, and it has quickly become my #1 favorite chainsaw. I have 2 of them. I had one. I liked it a lot. I mentioned it on an old, I used to have an old YouTube channel that I no longer have, but I mentioned it on that old YouTube channel. I mentioned how much I loved, which wasn't hyperbole. I really do love it. This is my favorite. So they said, hey, you want a second one? I was like, hell yeah. So they come on up and get it. So I went up and got it. So I've been feeling guilty ever since. I don't think they get a whole lot of customers because of me, honestly. I think they're just nice. I'm going to use the John Deere to clean up the debris, the trimmed up limbs, to move to another end of the property as I go. Getting there. That's cool looking. Really cool looking. I've never seen a tree with that red color in it like that before. We got a few deep roots in here that we'll get up and then smooth it out. Get our leaf blower out. Blow all the debris into the neighbor's yard. And then call it good. No, I meant into the, yeah. Down, blow the debris, into the tractor bucket. I like the way it looks. I like the way it came out too. I really do. You know, the funny thing about taking out trees is, like, a person that lived next door or even down the street that knows me, that comes over once in a while, they won't even notice that these trees are gone. They won't even notice. Because people don't pay attention to that crap. They just don't. They'll notice something looks different though. All right. I like it a lot because it's going to help me stack my snow. Yeah, buddy. All right, God bless everyone. See you on the next one.